And now I'm going to tell you a couple of very important exercises to keep yourself safe before you get COVID and after you get COVID. You have to practice this. Have you noticed how a baby breathes? If you notice how the baby breathes, you will see that the baby breathes through the abdomen. When you breathe, your chest goes up and down, right? But when the baby breathes, the chest remains there only and the stomach moves up and down. That is called diaphragmatic breathing, or in simple words, abdominal breathing. Why do babies do that? Babies do that because their lung functions are not fully developed and they don't use their chest musculature to breathe and they use their abdominal musculature to breathe. After some time, we lose that habit and we start breathing through our chest. Are you a sports fan? Let's take sports as football as an example. I will go again to my favorite footballer, Ronaldo. Next time when they're playing, you notice how they run. They will take the fastest sprint, like you've never seen anyone run, score the goal, and after 10-15 seconds, they are ready to go and score again. If you were in their shoes and did the same amount of running and scored the goal, maybe not, that's a different story. After you're done doing that same distance at the same speed that they have done, forget 10 to 15 seconds. You would be done for the day and mostly for the week also. Now, in those 10 to 15 seconds, I would like you to notice how they are breathing. They are breathing through the abdomen. We are breathing through our chest. We go, but they are breathing through their abdomen. Their chest remains in one place. Why is abdominal breathing, diaphragmatic breathing so important? It is important because it utilizes your entire lungs to take in air. So when we have an infection and our lungs are compromised, you require every inch of your lungs to function adequately, to function optimally. So I'm going to show you one exercise. This is called abdominal breathing. You notice how the stomach comes out? Pretend your stomach is a balloon, get it out as much as possible. Even feel your sides expanding. It won't expand, but think of it as expanding. Practice this. Breathe through your stomach. The chest isn't moving. You're using your diaphragm to breathe. That is essentially how we are built to breathe, but we forget that through our lifetime as we grow up and stop playing sport and exercise. Think of your stomach as a balloon which is expanding. Take in as much air using your stomach. In the beginning, you will find it very difficult, but you can practice this multiple times during the day. If you want, you can breathe all throughout like this also, and you will be in a much better position to combat any respiratory illness, God forbid, you might have in later years. The second maneuver I would like to tell you is to practice sleeping on your stomach. When you go to sleep, lie down on your stomach. This is a natural physiotherapy which occurs and helps you in clearing the fluids which collect in your lungs when you are lying down. We are using gravity to help us. Create a habit of lying down in your stomach. Many people cannot get sleep when you are sleeping, that is. Many people cannot sleep lying in their stomach, but it is now that you have to create a habit to sleep on your stomach, simply so that gravity aids you in clearing whatever fluids and inflammation collects in your lungs. If God forbid you contract COVID, and when you do contract COVID, lie down on your stomach when you go to sleep, and in addition, deep breaths while you're lying in your stomach. Deep breaths as possible, multiple times through the day. Deep breathing will bring up, while lying on your stomach, will bring up your oxygen level immediately. Try this out.